everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to enable dark mode on the Bitget wallet app. Now let's get right into it. Enabling dark mode on the Bitget wallet app is usually quite simple. Here's a general guide. First of all, you need to launch the Bitget wallet app on your mobile device. You need to look for a settings icon or menu within the app. It's often represented by a gear icon or 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to open the settings menu. Within the settings, look for options related to display, theme, appearance, or something similar. You should find a toggle switch or an option to select dark mode. Tap the toggle switch or select dark mode to enable it. Now, some apps may offer an automatic or system default option which will switch to dark mode based on your device's system settings. The app should immediately switch to dark mode. If not, you may need to reset the app. If not, you may need to restart the app. Now here's some important things to note. The exact location of the dark mode setting may vary slightly depending on the version of the Bitget wallet app you're using. If you can't find the dark mode option, ensure that your app is updated to the latest version. If your device is set to dark mode and the app utilizes the system default, then enabling dark mode on your device will also enable it on the Bitget wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching.